The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's ready for a great day. Hello, I'm Matt, Mr. G, John, Matt. We are ready for a nice day here, aren't we? NASDAQ sending me a bullish engulfing right off the bat. Let's take a gander at that quick. Kind of rubbing against those bands, hitting support. Not gonna jump on that right away. Let's take a look at the markets overnight. Not a lot of movement. ES its low is 40.05, and it's at a high of 40.23. So 18 points of range. NQ dipped down to 12.150. Its high was 12.226. So that's 76 points of range, I believe. Copper, about 120 ticks of range. Gold, about 10 points of range. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I thought today was supposed to be contract roll day for the Alter bond. I gotta verify that. That's kind of important for what I'm doing lately. Crude oil, trying to get back above 75. A little over a point of range, and that we see new daily lows being made here on that natural gas with about 110 ticks of range. Bitcoin right under 24,000. So that's where we sit or stand. Let's see. NQ ended up being a weird bullish engulfing. Could have got it 4 points maybe. I am sitting on the regular size contract and not on the micro right now because our ATR is below 5. So how's everyone doing today? So weirdest thing, I haven't streamed to Twitch since last April, so it's about 10 months. But I just got a new follower on Twitch. Hey, family channel, am I gonna trade the news? I mean, I could if there's something pops after the after the news, but I'm not gonna actually have any orders in on to try and gamble on the news itself. Pulling down and Q big candle out of the blue there, just down 12 and a quarter. See in the upper right hand corner, we do have a countdown timer to the news. We have news this morning multiple times actually. Let's bring up financial juice. The juice of the financials we have at 8:30 Eastern. U.S. initial jobless claims. U.S. GDP quarter over quarter. U.S. core PCE prices preliminary. And Chicago National Activity Index. I thought there was more. I guess there's more tomorrow. So, oops, we don't have. So yeah, it's just 8. But we also have natural gas inventories at 10:30 and crude oil inventories at 11. And tomorrow there's a whole gaggle of news. That's right. I got today and tomorrow mixed up. DWT, thank you. I never really dealt with the roll on the treasuries before. I saw in Top Steps weekly newsletter that they marked today as the roll day, so I wasn't sure. Appreciate that. That quick dip, and now it looks like NQ's trying to come back up. So I'm not sure how someone found my Twitch or why they were subscribed to a dead channel, but somebody did. Somebody. Okay. Back down under that 20 on the NQ. I like, well, see what it wants to do here. Excuse me one second. Morning, Andrew. How's Andrew doing today? Yeah, that's probably a mistake. They seem to have added DDoS protection or something. I saw it too this morning for the first time. It let me in, but it might be blocking addresses erroneously. I'm doing all right, Andrew. Thank you. Back up there on NQ. It's trying to decide which way it wants to go. Yes, pretty much doing the same. Thank you everyone for joining me this morning. Remember, if you expect to enjoy the stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. So we've been pumping out a lot of non-live content. Would appreciate if you all check that out if you haven't already. My Fast Track series, I've been posting up all the discounts in the various prop firms. Phonox made some major changes yesterday. I have a video up about that. I like Blue Sky. They are an associate sponsor, but let me say I don't take sponsorships by anyone I don't like or trust. Um, they're they're a good company. No reason, not to go with them. They, like you said, they do have an interesting mix. They have I have a review video that's going to be going up this week. Well, I've been saying that for a while, but things keep coming up. But yeah, by this weekend I'll have a review video coming out, and also next Thursday, right after the stream, we'll be doing a live interview with Josh from Blue Sky, talking to him about the company, talking to him about trading, see how that goes. But yeah, easy rules, not a lot of gotcha type rules. Just that constantly trailing drawdown, which is just like Apex, no different than Apex's drawdown. I mean, I prefer end of day drawdowns, but obviously I'm doing stuff that has constantly trailing, so it's not that big of a deterrent. If you have any specific questions, DWT, I could probably answer. The biggest drawback right now to Blue Sky is the fact that once you're funded, you can't use NinjaTrader. There, it's that's being worked on, and they're hoping by the end of the quarter, which would be by the end of next month, though that's not set in stone. Yeah. Kind of choppy here before this news coming in and out, the unemployment and the GDP. One day I'm gonna have fun with the Blue Sky once it's on better footing, and you can trade the ICE exchange, and there's a couple other extra exchanges that no other prop firm has. I might trade some coffee or some cocoa or rice. I've used Quant Tower. It's okay, but no ATMs if you're into using the automatic trade management like that Ninja has. But other than that, I have it installed. When I have a whole bunch of accounts, I'll tend to use that as a backup for a rhythmic account. Morning, Robin. How are you doing today? So it looks like maybe I should have taken this long. It was this chop. Did not really. You see how it never got below that 100? I mean, Tradovate really doesn't have ATMs either. I mean, you can set up a trailing stop, but it starts trailing like right when the trade starts. It's weird. Doing all right, thank you. All right, good job, good job, Andrew. Good luck, I mean. Well, good job and good luck because I see it's rising up. Choppiness on the Ultra Bond. Its market opens in about 9 minutes. I should have taken this long on NQ. You know, it's weird. This is the same darn chart. This chart looks so much clearer. It was a nice up, down, and back up move, and that was perfect. I should have taken it. Nice job, Andrew. Still rising up. So that was a missed opportunity there. Just a misread. Happens. So we're still pushing up here before the news. About 15 minutes to our news today. So you can see our countdown timer up there. My binarial beats. And pulling back. So choppy so far. See what the news does to us. Multiple colored candles on ESO over here, or whatever. The blue are bullish engulfing candles, although technically not I mean, by the most technical term, they're not, but it's a script on, I mean, it's an indicator on TradingView called the engulfing candles detector. And the yellow is for bearish and the blue is for bullish. If you use TradingView, it's the engulfing candles detector by Dave Att. You're welcome, Will. And then the way I use them is I'll only take a trade by using the bullish engulfing if I'm above the 20 EMA and the bearish engulfing if I'm below. Waiting for some opportunities. Want to rebound from my red day yesterday. Of course, we really need to find something on the fast track to get that. We need to get back on the lead lap on the fast track. Posting daily videos on that fast track challenge. Should check them out if you haven't. Kind of leveling. No, it's not a contest, DWT. It's just an account type from Elite Trader Funding. It's yeah, only have 10 days to reach a $6,000 profit target. I got it because of their. I picked up a regular 50K end of day account, but they had that buy one get one free sale that ended last week. And the way it worked with the fast track is they actually just sent you enough points that you could get another fast track, or you could get 3 free resets. So I got the fast track so I could get the 3 resets for the 50K. And by the way, because I had those resets sitting, I did a little bit of a YOLO yesterday on that 50K on FOMC meeting minutes, and I nailed a $900 trade on the Ultra Bond. So that account's sitting pretty good. Big move up here. So we're moving on up here before the news. All right, Andrew. Good luck. I has a nice little dip and back up. And I could have taken this dip right here. I should have. That was a nice move. I like that dip. Boom. So, I don't know. I think I got in my mind I should stay flat until news, and I just missed opportunity there. You can see how NASDAQ just turned on a dime there. Ultra Bond is just sitting around. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Watching candles form away. Good morning, John. You were lucky enough to enter while I was singing. How's trading going this morning, John? Oh, good, John. Yeah, DWT, I agree. The ranges have been low. Thought we might see a little bit more action at the meeting minutes yesterday, but maybe we'll see something here at the news. Ouch, thank you, G. Nice recovery, John. Great job, Andrew. I lived through a 4.6 earthquake once in Reading, Pennsylvania. You can tell I haven't been eating much pizza lately. Pull back here a bit. Yeah. Yeah, we are at ES's highs of the day, 1226, 1224, 1220, 1232. So we made a new high day. I'm sorry, that's NQ. ES, yeah, 4023, 4022, 4023. So we are exactly at the high day right now in ES. That's a good day, Andrew. Hey, Glitch, how you doing? I'm doing all right. Popping down there. So why I have the same time frame over then that's interesting. I need to find something else for this window. I don't think I have heard of that, Matt. Interesting. Looks good. What's the price on it? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I can't wait till I actually, start making real money with this and I can get some better quality food. Right now I eat Walmart frozen hamburgers, but I'll prefer grass-fed, finished stuff. Things like that. It says Walmart has it. Interesting. $8 for that pizza at Walmart. Which probably isn't bad. Eh, Philippines sounds too warm for me. I want cool weather. I want to be someplace. If I'm gonna have a build my dream home one day, it's gonna be someplace where it snows 6 months out of the year. Good morning, CBR. Yeah, definitely once my money's better, I'll have better options. I pretty much eat the same thing every day now, right now. Eggs for breakfast, chicken for lunch, burgers for supper, can of sardines mixed in here and there. Yeah, I mean, fortunately, it's difficult for me to do that. Actually, my oven's still not working, so it'll be a problem anyway for anything frozen. We are 90 seconds away from the news. Be prepared. A couple different news reports coming out. Once I'm rich, I'll hire a personal chef. You can see now, the alarm went off for the news this morning. You can see it jumped to tomorrow's news. I already have that loaded in. Yay, John. Excellent. Baseball's back. There's our there's our news. Big big candle there, 15 points. Yeah, but they're both gonna be rich too. So why would they cook for me? I mean, I absolutely agree with that idea, Matt. But I think they're gonna hire personal chefs too, Or wait, whoa, Ultra Bond, big move down. Big yellow candle here now. 21 points down. Market liked the news for all of 5 minutes. I'm sorry, all of 5 seconds. U.S. GDP quarter over quarter, actual 2.7, forecast was 2.9. Slight miss. Jobless claims 192K, the forecast was 200K, so that was a beat. We got the beat, we got the beat. So quick, big move down. Watching the bonds. You see the altar bond there. This is the 1 minute chart, and whoosh, 12 ticks down. Throw the Bollingers on there a second. It's down into the bands. Oops. Wrong button. Oh, big move down there on NQ. Gold. But wow, look at that move on gold. Whoosh. 5 points down. Silver down. Silver and gold. Copper. Oh, that was crude. Sorry. Yeah, crude barely moving. Natural gas was already moving beforehand. Nice rise up. Copper continuing down. Oh, nice bearish engulfing right before. Dow falling. Popping back up, popping fresh dough. Yeah, I just realized my Yahoo email account just hit a milestone. I now have over 400,000 unread emails. Leveling out here at NQ. Watching the Ultra Bond for some sort of movement. Yeah, I mean, see, I don't mind news rules. Good morning, Burl. If it's only for like a minute or two around the news, like I don't like Elite Trader Funding's news rule because it's 5 minutes, and I feel like you lose opportunities if it's for 5 minutes, when it's that long. So for those of you that checked out my changes in Bowenox video, or just read their email about their changes, whatever, what do you think? It seems like both Bowenox and Elite Trader Funding are trying to keep up with Apex And right now, it's getting closer, especially since Apex still does not have any end of day drawdown options. Well, it's sitting below 12,200 here on NQ. Well, Elite Trader Funding, they only have the news rule on their sim funded accounts. Once you get put on their live account, it goes away, and it's not there on the evaluation. So it's on their live account, not their sim live account. Sim live is the only sim. I should say sim funded is the only place they have the rule. Apex kind of has a news rule in that, I mean, as long as you're using your normal strategy and you're not using like some sort of windfall YOLO strategy on news, you're fine. But if you try to do like I used to do with putting an order 10 points above, 10 points below, and trying to catch it, that's against their rules for their funded accounts. Well, I mean, with Bull and Ox changed their payouts now, where you only need to trade 10 days, you can get paid out twice a month. No news rules with Bull and Ox that I'm aware of. So big boom back up here on the Ultra Bond. Watching that come up. Pretty much has gained back almost all of the big news candle. You have to hit just, I believe, it's just get above your safety threshold, which is the the drawdown of the account, and I believe that's the same with Apex. Because you don't want to take everything out and then be at zero, no drawdown left. I believe. I gotta look. I've actually never had an account with Bolinox to play with it. And obviously I've never had a funded account that actually gotten a payout. Coming back down here on NQ. What's our ATR? 9. We need to go to micros. Crap. Shorting here. Tighten the stop slightly to 10. 8. Looks like it's going to bounce on me. There we go. Nope. Come on, push. Can I get through 12,190 here? Looks like that's a nope so far. Ultra bond hanging right on its 20. Out, taking the loss. Starting the day off down $63. Looks like we're going to start another red day run here. But it is what it is. Yep, Ultra Bond popping down there. Yep, popping right back up, so it's not, it's being wishy-washy too. Oh, big move right back up there on the Ultra Bond. Wow, that could have been disastrous if I had taken that short. And Q popping up as well. You can see it's just hanging there. Slightly below their 100. Have I seen silver move? Silver and gold. Oh, nice bearish engulfing there. So 565 down to 400 on silver. So it's an $800 move over the last 15, 20 minutes. Gold, then another new daily low there, just continuing to drop. Yeah, $25 a tick. Only thing higher is the Ultra Bond and the ZB. I can't remember what that one's called, but ZB and UB at 31.25 a tick. Another bounce off the 100 on the 1 minute chart here. And back down. Kind of floating. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Moon's NQ trying to come back down after a failure of the 100 there. Back in on a short. Ten-point stop. He's the break below 12,200. Fortunately, I didn't notice that we were right at a round number. Just took it by my trading plan, but I don't think it likes my trading plan. Yeah, it's popping back up. We're going to get out. So another small loss. It's going to be that kind of a day. Oh, there it goes. Darn it. Let it shake me out. I'm getting too skittish. I think it's time to retire. Yep. There it goes. So I was in at 199. It's down to 196. We'll see where it goes. It's kind of bouncy. Eh, Fans are closing. Trying to come back up. Oh, got out. Okay. We're about 39 minutes until the bell, 9 minutes until the top of the hour. Kind of watching here, waiting for an opportunity. There's NQ getting up to its 100. Trying to get above. There's a train. I hear the train a-coming. Again, a rejection off of its 100. Morning, JC. How you doing? Moving up here, back above 1209. Trying to gain back what it lost on the news. Hey, Chef. I'm doing all right, JC. Long here. Nice move. Into the bands, though, so I'm being careful. There we go. We're out. I didn't like the way, and you see it pulling back into the bands. So it was a good, it was only 5 points, but it gets us a win on the day. Puts us back down to only being down the $74. That probably could have stayed in. Being a little bit skittish. Trying to do something that makes sense. I got out at 12. The candle went up to 13. Now, yep, it's continuing to try. It's going to ride these bands up. So I should have stayed in on that, but we'll get more later. Thank you, JC. Wasn't the best trade in the world, but it was green. So I went on that one, not only in the break of the 100, but I saw the bullish engulfing on the ES, and even though it was on Q, we also saw it on micro and Q. So it was all, all the way around it worked. Yeah, I just saw that on the Discord, Chef. Great job. Yeah, it's continuing to push up. So obviously, I mean, I got out way too early. There's another 10 points I could have gotten. But that's okay. About 24,000. Morning, Sid. How are you? Pulling back a little bit now. What's the Ultra Bond over here doing? Ooh, big move down the Ultra Bond. Question is, am I too late? Well, that would have been a good one to take right there. But I was fiddling with NQ. Hey, Ace. I will mark your attendance. Thank you, Sid. NQ. Pushing up. Morning, Avi. Top of the hour here in 30 seconds. Oh yeah, guess I can make the countdown go away. We don't need a countdown till tomorrow's news. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. That's gone. Top of the hour. See if I should have taken that in golfing. As we sit here at the top of the hour, reminder, folks, that if you want to support the channel, the best way to do it, besides throwing cash at me, and I don't want you to throw cash at me, so that was a joke, is to, I am posting up a lot of non-live content now. Give it a watch. Most of the videos are between like 5 and 10 minutes long. They're not real long. Start getting some views on that so the algorithm starts picking it up and can start growing the channel some more. and get that growth kind of snowballing. I'm posting up, a lead trader funding video every day on the fast track. When news comes out about a prop firm, I put something up about that usually. I'll have the Blue Sky review up no later than this weekend. I know I've been pushing it off, but it's just like I planned to do it last night, and then, not only did I have the ETF fast track to do, but I also had that Bolonox video to do. So NQ gets up to 12.229. Pulling back a tad. ES popped up to 40.20, which I believe was a double top of its high. 40, no, I'm wrong. 40.24, never mind. Still trying to rise up. And Nightbot's going all wild. Y'all need to talk more, so it doesn't look like Nightbot's talking to himself. He gets upset when he feels like he's talking to himself. So we're still pushing up. Sideways here. Let's check what crude did as it's open. That was a nice bullish engulfing crude. Led into the candle before the open. Looks like at the open it dipped about 20 ticks. Came back up. See, it has made a new high day here right before the open. Natural gas going wild. Remember, we have both natural gas and crude oil inventories later today. Earlier, well, actually yesterday, natural gas dipped below 2 for the first time ever. All-time low. And gosh darn it, my power company better lower the rates. Not counting on it. Not counting on it at all. Kind of slowing down. Market's lost some oomph. Hate it when the market loses oomph. Everybody was oomphless. Yes, folks, I'm babbling. Meanwhile, ooh, NQ popping. We're hopping, stopping, popping like a rabbit. I should have taken that bullish engulfing there. You can see. That would have been good. That would have been a good one. This one I'm not so sure about. But so far, I mean, it's not bad. Little wiki there. Oh. That's a big wiki. Wick is bigger than the candle. That's not always a good sign. Yes, sending it as well. Going away though. Oh, pop toward the end of this candle. All right, nice, Andrew. Good luck on that. Ultra Bond tried to tease me there. I didn't fall for it. I don't fall for teasing. ATR is falling back down to 6. So we're about 20 minutes to the bell. Waiting for some more opportunities. Excellent job. Third time today, right, Andrew? Great job. Clicking noise. Anybody else watch my? Oh, I see. I should have taken that long. I hesitated again, and it's cost me again. I gotta just take these in my trading plan. It's frustrating. Did anyone else watch my Bowanox video that I posted yesterday? Did you notice a clicking noise? I don't like to listen to my own stuff because I hate hearing my own voice. But if anyone watched that video, can you tell me if my mic was making some sort of weird clicking noise? And is there a clicking noise now? I guess I should ask. Okay, Trading with Travis watched my video. He said he mentioned a clicking noise. I mean, he said he heard a clicking noise. So I'm not sure what that was. Ooh, Ultra Bond. It always sounds like I'm scuba diving. Well, that's not good. Oh, I know, because you talk about the way the mic kind of turns on and off, makes it go real silent when I'm not talking. Sid, I guess my first question is why? I mean, you're a great trader, Sid. I'm curious why you're thinking of using a prop firm. It's just I know some really good traders do like using props, but remember you're giving the prop a 10 or 20% split, mostly a 10% split. So I'm just wondering why. As for which one, that's a good question at this point. Apex has the constantly trailing intraday drawdown. ETF and Bowanox both have end of day options. No, I didn't know that, Matt. Ultra Bond popping up here. Everything's kind of coming up. We're about 16 minutes from the bell. I mean, I'm definitely not going to discourage you from it, Sid. I just, I was surprised to see you say that. But honestly, with any of those three, you can't go wrong. But depending on your trading style, the whole trailing drawdown, yeah, the intraday trailing drawdown, if that's going to be a problem, then you should go with ETF or Bowanox. Bowanox has the sale going right now. Neither of the other two do. Good luck on that, Andrew. If you're gonna, okay, well, if you need a big drawdown, then you might want to wait for the next Apex sale. Apex has big account. That's probably the biggest accounts. I guess. How big of a drawdown would you need, Sid? The problem with Bowanox and their bigger accounts is they charge a setup fee after you pass, and the bigger accounts are just atrocious in their setup fees. Whereas Apex, has a much smaller fee. Like the biggest account on Apex is their 300K account that has a trailing drawdown of $7,500, but it has a profit target of 20,000. So it's a big one. I don't know how big of a drawdown you would need. So missed opportunity here at the Ultra Bond, I guess. Got above and I don't know. Kind of staring at it, not realizing what I'm watching. I'm looking more at the 5 than the 1, but I think I need to switch to the 1-minute chart in these morning hours. You see, we got above the 100 here on the 1, and it's gone 6 ticks. That would have been a great win. Andrew, what was your entry on that? It's was looking good. I'm not sure where you got in at though. 24? Yeah, there you are. It hit 26. Did you get your 2 there, Andrew? Ouch. That's why I kind of like using market if touched orders. Ultra Bomb's breaking the 100. But it's also breaking the bands down here. About 12 minutes to the bell. Back there at 26 now. Touched it for another 2 seconds. Oh, there we go. Got bullish engulfing on NQ. Really extended to the upside. Excellent job, Andrew. Yep, totally missed the opportunity there on the Ultra Bond, which really upsets me. Not sure what I was thinking. I wasn't watching the 1, that's why I need to start watching the 1. You can see here. Boom here. What's our ATR on this? ATR was only 3. So, you know, would have done a 4 stop, 8 target. And right there, that was a $750 move, not even including these extra 2 candles. Yeah, I don't blame you. I mean, yeah, obviously you would have got your actual target, but it's really looking extended to the upside. So let's look at this and see how stupid I am. There's my bullish engulfing. Going for 10 points. Got it. It's 10 by 7.5. Clone. Look at that. Number 2. Clone. Number 3. Let's see if it gets there. It's kind of petering out. Good luck on that, Andrew. Meanwhile, Ultra Bond's still rising up. He is sending me one of those bullish engulfings, but I don't like it. Pulling back slightly. Showing some red. Wow, look at the Ultra Bond just go, go, go. I think we're going to pull back here soon, but I don't try to pick tops. So, yep. Ooh, bearish engulfing there on the bond, on the 1 minute on the bond. So that I said we are going to see a pullback. That's above the 100. I'm sorry, above the 20. So I don't usually take bearish engulfings above the 20. Bullish engulfing there on the ES. I'm sorry, on the Ultra Bond. Apologize. Am I going to regret that? Probably. Up, there's a bounce back up on the indices. I think the bonds and the indices are actually moving in the same direction right now. Same pattern. We are just a couple minutes from the bell. Bond. That would have been a quick, good 3 or 4 ticks on that Ultra Bond. I'm going to do something tonight and just figure out the percentage of those that work, those engulfing candles. And 30 seconds to go. So the beautiful move up by the Ultra Bond over the last half hour. Sideways on NQ. Is up, down, up, slightly lower, high, down, bouncing. See where we go. Popping up, down. ES got up to 29, Andrew. Did you get another couple of points there? As we're pulling down now. Watching. There we go. Down. Trying to come down. Nice move down. Right. Hanging around 12,241. There we go. Took the short. It's bouncing on me. There we go. Stop move to break even. Come on, give me 5 more points. There we go. There we go. 2 more, 3 more points. Come on. Come on. It's gonna come. Nah, it's gonna come up and hit my trailing. Maybe not. Pushing down again. 29. I saw. There we go. Target hit, and we're out. Boom. That's a winner. Played that off that bullish, bearish engulfing. Thank you, Crypticon, and good morning. So with that, we're now in the green by $7. Yep, $7, guys. $7. Thank you. Good job, Sid. Hey, good morning, Laughter. Nice job, Andrew. Thank you, Glitch. Good morning, RJ. It got out just. Look at that way that bounced off that 100. What did I get out at? What point? 27. Wow, so it only went 1 more point down, and they bopped back up on me. So that was kind of luck. But in the stats, it looks like pure skill. Big bearish engulfing there again. Do we probably should have taken that? Hello, hello. Okay, I think my mic's back. Andrew, thank you very much. I appreciate that, buddy. Awesome. Thank you. Can you guys hear me? Let me know if you guys can hear me. Still coming down here. Ultra Bond, that's still coming up. Good. Thank you, Sid. Good. Yeah, my mic cut out for like 2 minutes. It's my mistake. I accidentally hit the button to update the software. So, I killed my binarial beats too. So, nice move down. Again, a nice move off that bearish engulfing. Did come up about 8 points, but would have moved, has gone down now, well, 28 points. So that would have definitely worked. So again, thank you, Andrew. Apologize that when you did that, my mic was not working, but definitely appreciate that. And discount code Crypticon, as I posted, there's MOT70. Well, thank you, Sid. Thank you very much. I appreciate that as well. You guys are awesome. Guys help keep me going. So we're 12.2A here, 40.72 on ES. I'm sorry, 40.22. Not 72, 22. 72 would be much different. Now, I'm not going to be like Greg, aka Weenie, who does push-ups every time he gets a donation. But it is appreciated very, very much. Bounced it a little bit here on NQ. We got down to 12,197 and bounced. Pushing back up to 12,221. So nice little bounce there. Ultra Bond maybe leveling out finally. You both are awesome. Well, you all are awesome. But I definitely appreciate the donations. Seeing just a bit of a pullback on the Ultra Bond. Got from 135.12 down to 135.05. So a 7-tick pullback. Q coming up to its 100. The 120 are trying to converge. Ooh, bounced off that 100. Bearish engulfing. You know what that means. 20 seconds. Ooh, big candle though. I don't like big bearish engulfing candles. I prefer smaller ones. Now it's kind of retreating, wick bigger than the body, no longer of interest to me. Nice, Sid. You do very well catching those moves. The only thing else coming up today I'm at is inventory, natural gas inventories and crude inventories. Crypticon, thank you, sir. Appreciate it very much as well. You are all awesome. Oh, we have Fed speakers. Did I miss a Fed speaker? Wait a minute, I missed something. I think something just got added. I did not see the Kansas City Fed manufacturing also at 11 o'clock. I'm not sure if I missed that or if they just added that. But yeah, they have a Fed speaker at 2 Eastern as well. But yeah, we have a slight bit of news at 11, Kansas City Fed manufacturing. Hanging around here, but right above 12,200. Ultra Bond came down to its 20 and kind of bouncing, but not strong bounce. I thought about taking a short here off this candle, and then I saw that this popped up and then it came right back down. I did not take the short, and it's kind of hemming and hawing there. I think it's good I didn't. Oh, financial juices. Oh yeah, I didn't. I totally missed Bostic speaking. I need a fact checker on my news. Yeah, so Fed speaker at 10:50. Popping back up. So it's like we, down, up, down, up. Might be trying to come back up now. Ultra bond kind of flat. And NASDAQ trying to push back up. Where's the 100 on this? Oh, right there. Yeah. 120 converging, and this is a bullish engulfing. So that's kind of interesting. Bands are kind of constricting, though. Ultra bond continuing to move back up after that little bit of a pullback. Got some corn selling going on. Oh, yeah, corn is heading down nicely. That's looking pretty corny. Sorry. That's soybeans. I'm sorry. Corn. Try checking out corn instead of soybeans. But yeah, that's even better. Nice moves down. Nice smooth move from the open. Ultra bond continuing to just rise. And it looks like I should have taken that. I definitely should have taken that bullish engulfing. I've said that like 5 times this morning now. I'm getting frustrated with myself. Nice, Andrew. So you're up, what, like 10 or 12 points now in the day? And I know you use multiple contracts, I think. Great job, Sid. You're killing it today as well. I need to hack into your systems and just take your trades as you take them. Both of you, Andrew and Sid. Beautiful move there on the Ultra Bond. So I'm looking at this. Now this NQ one was absolutely just set up perfectly, and I didn't take that one. But let's look at the Ultra Bond here in the 1. First of all, this would have worked. This one also would have worked. I was watching how extended this was, and again, I think I need to ignore that 100%. I might need to take that off my charts. And this just keeps going. I mean, theoretically, that was an engulfing candle, even though the candle wasn't below. I mean, it's not really an engulfing, but still. I mean, all these would have worked. Boom, 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 boom. Where's our Bollingers at? See, I mean, that would have given me hesitation anyway because look at the way. I mean, this entire candle's within the second and third deviations. Great job, Andrew. That's a wonderful, beautiful day. Pulling back here on NQ. So you're kind of touched those downtrending bands and shied away. So up, 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 up. It's a good idea, Andrew, because that's an excellent day. It's an excellent week. Another bounce off the 20 here. Ultra bond pulling down a little bit. Oh my God. Wow, Andrew. That's amazing. What's gold and CL doing? Gold? Gold's rising up. Still about mid-range. It's popped up from its lows off the news. CL. Oops, that's natural gas. Natural gas made another new high. CL's got above 75. Pull back from a big burst up there at the market at the open, which usually doesn't react that much to the open. Now trying to get back up there. It's at 75.60. Nice, Sid. That's awesome, Andrew. That's amazing. I would die for a day like that. Well, I guess it wouldn't do me much good if I died, but that that would be a dream. There's another engulfing. Taking the long, but I'm late. So in long here, but it's struggling. There we go. Now we're getting some momentum. It's into those bands though, so come on, give it to me. Give me something good. Give me something good. Back down to my entry. That's bopping back down on me. Move the stop real tight, but it's still going to be a loss if it bops down, but I need to give it a little bit of room here. Pull back and then try and move, push up. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 48, 49. Come on. Struggling at by 1250. Come on, come on. There we go. Got some boost there. Minute 43. Oh. $51. 51. There we go. Stops above break even now. Target is 58. Oh, bouncy. I'm out. So we got 6 points off of that. So let's see where we're at now. 30. So now we're at $65 in the green. I probably should have stayed in. I got to get better at staying in. Congratulations, Sid. That's awesome. 12. Wow. Oh, wow. So, 50-50 there. Big congrats. I did get, looks like I got out at the right time there. I mean, I wish I would have got out a little higher, but big pullback, now bouncing again. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Because I still don't have a trade on the fast track today. It's still going up. Excuse me, 1 second. I am back, guys. Well, actually, give me 1 more second. Back down, touching its 100 in public in front of everybody. It's a big trigger candle if it stays below that 100. But you can see here, it kind of came down to this area several times. So I need to see a break. Ooh, see, and that's why I did not like that at all. Big burst back up would have stopped me out within like 2 seconds. What was that, Crypticon? It was technically a trigger candle back up. "15 seconds. Again, it's a big candle. 12, 11 points. Pulling back. Went long. Based on the trigger. But it's struggling. Looks like it wants to come down. Let's see what it does. There we go. Come on. Break above. I should have waited till it broke back above. Coming back down. Bouncing on me. Gonna get back our profit here. Gonna go back to red. Yep, there we go. We're down now by $2.50. Let me see if I could have read that better. Yeah. Maybe it did look like I was flattening out. Up, down, up, down. Yeah, it's kind of a up head and shoulders move, kind of. Not that I look for that pattern, but yeah. So I probably could have read that better. That's okay. This one worked. This one worked. That one didn't. If you listen to Bob Anderson, usually the third one doesn't work. Now this isn't his setup, but I see the same thing. You know, oftentimes two will work, and then you see a third one fail. And big move down. So after the break of the 100, I could have. That was technically a trigger for me. I do badly bouncing back after a loss, though. I kind of, or even a win. I don't take trades right away. That would have been a good quick win to get me back to green. Ultra Bond down to its 20 on the 1. This was actually a great setup for that short. This down that, got me up and then back down through. Easy, as Glitch would say. Falling back down to that 12,200 area. Got resistance down here. You can see it's kind of got to this area several times. Broke through it once, but immediately shot back up. Low of the day on the NQ is Globex low was 150. Continuing push down, broke that 200. Oops. Get it, break that support there, 197. Yep, broke it. Broke it. Now we need a new support. Remember 150 low a day. So I took the last, took this last, I tried to go short. It decided to take one quick move back up and then went short again. So I was right. This would have needed I got in at 44. No way, I'm wrong. I took the long there. That's right. So I took the long, and it was just an absolute worst time. I'm just not good at playing reversals. I'm more of a momentum trend trader. Anytime I try and guess a reversal, I'm always wrong. Pushing down. So 10 minutes ago, we were up at 255. We've dropped 85 points. Did something happen? I mean, was there some sort of news that I missed? No trades on it today, and it's more of a challenge than when I started. I'm down in about $1,000 on it. Now, of that 1,000, about 200 of it is from two stupid mistakes. The very first day I had it, I was setting up alerts on TradingView for the Ultra Bond, and somehow I entered a trade. Took a 4-tick loss on one contract. And then yesterday, after a win, I forgot to clear off my stop loss limit order, and it filled, and I took a 1-tick loss on two contracts there. So about 200 of that 1,000 is just from stupidity, from trades I didn't mean to take. Bit of a bounce here. Oh yeah, I know. I mean, when I first started this, my first ever account with any of these prop firms was Top Step, and like the best trade I ever had with Top Step back then was while I was sleeping. I forgot to clear a limit order. It filled while I was sleeping, and I woke up to that trade being up $700. Nice, Sid. Great job. So yeah, that was a great trade. Totally done in my sleep, but hey, you guys are killing it, Andrew and Sid. Beautiful work. Taking a short. Pushing down. Yep. Stopped again. I mean, I didn't get stopped out. I mean, it stopped pushing down. So there we go. 66. Come on, let's see more. Back to my entry. Big wick down. I don't like that. Come on, give me a push again. Back to 170. There's 69. I'm in at 171. New candle. Popping back up. Crap. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Down. Push it down. 73. There we go. Back to my entry. Not breaking for me. Up in the back to NQ, MNQ for uh like a week now, 2 weeks. Not looking good. Wow, that's scary, Sid. I mean, I didn't know something like that existed. Okay, stopped out. So, $200 down now. So down $200. Gonna have another red day probably. 45 minutes left to go in the stream. And I just don't get it. Should have got out, I guess, as soon as that first engulfing candle, although it didn't mark as engulfing. But whatever. Back up to the 20, trying to get back up to 12,200. And now another bearish engulfing here. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Shame, shame, not same, shame. Ooh, don't like how big that bullish and bearish engulfing is there. Kind of short here off that momentum down. It was technically a trigger candle down, so I waited for it to come back. I just accidentally closed the trade. There's another loss there because I accidentally closed that trade. That looks like it was good anyway. Hanging down though. What did I get in at there? So let's see if I ended up 79. Popped back up to 92. So, well, if one to stop. Well, now it probably would have. So, well, maybe not. Might have stopped me out. Well, pushing back down here. So, it's just, I hate this that, I had, again, a great, nice little green streak going, and now I'm going to end up with two big red days again and go in the wrong direction. So watching this still come down, 12.1 to 76. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond's been kind of sideways. And there's a breakdown below the 100. I'm sorry, below the 20 on the Ultra Bond. And we're like sideways-ish here, trying to figure out which way it wants to go. Hanging here, doing nothing fast. Ultra Bond just kind of sitting. Hey Jay, how's it going? Yeah. If anyone hasn't hit that like button and you've enjoyed watching the stream today, I mean, not absolutely just losing it after losing and going down again. Pretty sure you would hit that like button. Kind of squeezing here. Not really going anywhere. I don't know where we're going. Trying to push up now a little bit. Just a little bit. And Ultra Bond falling. So nice move down now it broke the 20, but we're above the 100. But I don't know. Maybe obviously I should have taken it, but it was against my plan, so I didn't. We got natural gas inventories popping. Crude oil inventories in 30 minutes. All right, good luck on that, Andrew. Weren't you going to stop before, Andrew? About 14 ticks, I'm at. Good trade management sit. Let's see, natural gas inventories. Not really doing much, although you see this has made a nice move here. Crude oil is also making a nice move. And NQ actually sent me a trigger candle down and I missed it because I was checking natural gas. Perfect trigger candle bouncing off these bands and down, and you see it's gone like 79 to 68, so it's 111 and now pushing further. You should stop now, Andrew, before you get back your $15,000. I'm at 14 ticks on the Ultra Bond is 400 and like 440, something like that, somewhere around there. So this was a big miss right here. Saw this move up. You see how it hemmed and hauled in the bands and then flushed down. And this was a perfect trigger candle. And this is what frustrates me is I see this stuff, I can explain it, I just don't execute it. 7 execution style murders. This was a perfect trigger. I tried to take this and I didn't take profit on it. Thought it was going to continue down. Bouncing on those bands. Yeah, ES quickly flushed down. Do have a Fed speaker in less than 20 minutes. Crude oil inventories at the top of the hour. Natural gas pulling down. Excuse me 1 second. Back. So now down to the 100, which I realize is the 20 on the 5, and I'm not sure why it took me that long to figure that. I am not good at drawing trend lines at all. Quick bounce back up. So we got down to 151 on NQ and bounce. Actually, wasn't that our low? I think we just bounced on our low. 150, 151. Yeah, we just double bottomed here on NQ. Boom. And a big bounce back up. Wow. A 40-point bounce off that low day. I need to find a gas station owner wherever Andrew lives and tell him to be gassed out at 280 just to see what those unspeakable things that Andrew would do. By the way, anyone that gets gas should be using Get Upside, the app. You get cash back on every time you get gas or anytime you buy something from a gas station convenience store. You should definitely be using the Get Upside app. Matt LaRocco uses it after my recommendation. There was no news that I was aware of. Looking just to make sure. We do have that Kansas City Fed manufacturing at the top of the hour, but no other big news that's popped. And then pulling back down. I have a referral code in that Get Upside app if anybody wants it. Tiny adds up. How many girlfriends do you have, Andrew? By the way, I'm in Illinois, and gas here is only a little over $3. Nowhere near 5. Circle K, 315. 325 seems to be the average. Ultra bond, yeah, it's kind of sitting there on that EMA. I use a lot of apps. I mean, I don't drive, so I don't use the Get Upside app, but I do get a little bit of a few cents each time someone I refer does. But I use a lot of apps that save me little bits of money, like Ibotta for groceries and Fetch rewards for groceries and things like that. Ibotta has given me back over $600. I use Swagbucks and Rakuten anytime I buy something online from, like a regular type of online store, clothing, whatever. That's not Amazon. That was a trigger, and I didn't take it. I would be like wealthy then, RJ. 20 minutes to go till news and I'm sorry, crude oil inventories. We'll stream a couple extra minutes to see how those things digest. Upset that I missed this. I'm just at times I mean that was just a pure stupid miss on my part. There was no reason not to take that. Right back. Yep. I mean, I've lived on, what people call beer money type apps and stuff. You know, I do something called MTurk, which basically pays you to do things like surveys or data entry. Sometimes the task can be, 50 cents, a dollar, whatever. Some as low, like batch work could even be like 2 to 5 cents a batch. But I've over the years I've made $80,000 from it. You know, it's perspective. When you need those pennies, the effort to pick them up isn't. Like I said, I barely scrape by. So every day when I'm not trading, I'm doing surveys that pay me a quarter or 50 cents or a dollar each. And I made 2016. It's not as good as it once was. I once used to be able to do like $20,000 a year doing it. Now it's more like 12. Andrew, I use MTurk, I use Prolific Academic, and I use Swagbucks, but Swagbucks surveys suck. There's a few others. I just signed up for a focus group on pork products that's going to pay me $35 for 45 minutes of work. Here. This is the, oops, wrong. There we go. This is the Beer Money subreddit. You can see this is my Who Paid You in January, and it's a smaller list than it used to be. But then everyone replies with who else paid them. This keeps track of who's been paying and that type of thing. Yeah, the big ones right now are things like user testing and stuff where you test out a website and you talk through it. Some people make hundreds of dollars a month doing that. I struggle with that. Even though I stream every day, I struggle with stuff like that. But you can see, people are making hundreds and hundreds of dollars from some. You know what I mean? Oops, we're swirling. Hit your live button. Yeah, not sure why. Come on. I think we're stable again. That's why I hate Comcast. Look at that big move down. So since this bearish engulfing fired, which would have been a trigger candle, we've dropped 50 points. I have great download speed. It's the upload speed that has the problem. Seems to be back to normal now. But look at this drop. Getting down toward 12,100. Hit your live buttons. Laughter like all the time. Ultra Bond trying to break through this 100 here on. No, let me find that. Nice. Laughter. ChatGPT is getting harder to use, though. It's constantly filled, and they want you to buy a subscription now. About 10 minutes ago to our next little round of news, which is crude oil inventories in New York Fed manufacturing. Or somebody's manufacturing. Kansas City. Kansas City, New York. Same thing. Just kidding. So kind of watching this grind down. It's slowed down. It's slowed down its grind. But it's down to 12,110, which is the low of the day. You can see these hourly candles. Big purple. Trying to figure out what, oh, I know why that's on yellow. Obviously broke lows a day. The well above yesterday's lows. Yesterday's lows. Manufacturing index or whatever the Kansas City Fed's doing. And again, the stream's giving us a warning about not enough data to maintain. I have to hit your live button again. Do want to thank everyone that donated today. I think we're back again. I don't know why Comcast has so much trouble with upload. There we go. More swirling. So as we come to the end of the stream, I was hoping to stay for the news, but if I'm going to keep swirling, it doesn't make sense to. We're back again. No, we're not. Never mind. If I can't have a full stream that's error free, I don't know what to do. So we're hanging here. Hard to trade when stuff like that's going on as well. Yeah, stream quality sucks right now, I can tell. Today went horrible, Burl, and now the stream sucks. I'm just down again. Big red day. But we'll get it back tomorrow. And Comcast sucks for right now. I can tell, it looks like my stream is blurry. I don't know. Is the stream blurry, guys? There we go. More focused. Andrew did wonderful today. Sid did wonderful today. Ace never came back. Crude oil inventories didn't seem really to affect anything. Not much movement there on inventories, and the Kansas City Fed manufacturing didn't really do much either. A little pop here. So we're ending the day red again. So after another nice green streak, now 2 straight red days, going backwards. And so we're going to call it here today. Do want to thank everyone for watching. We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Try and finish out the week in a good way. Try and get some of this back. Remember to watch for my fast track video coming out later today. Hopefully I can get a trade on the Ultra Bond. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.